Finally, these came in, yo. A Skitzo Raceflight OSD flight controller. And the Raceflight 1 Bolt 32 4-in-1 ESCs. I seen the way Johnny FPV was flying and I was amazed. I mean, that guy was just sick. And God with the grip. I want to give these guys some support since these are one of the original guys I followed back when I first started. And I wanted to see if it really made a difference wearing that 32. I was originally going to put it on this Astro-5 Silky. I couldn't wait, so I ended up putting the Kakute with the Teco 32 4-in-1 ESCs, but I couldn't get it to work, so yeah, I'm gonna have to swap them out. I'm gonna have to do that right now. So until then, so I just got finished hooking up the Skitzo Raceflight 1 Revolt OSD flight controller with the Raceflight 1 Bolt 32 4-in-1 ESCs, and they're on the Astro-5 Silky version using the Wild Willy motors, 2306 2500 kV, using the Foxeer Mini Pro, using Tbs Crossfire Nano, Tbs Unify Pro. And to tell you the truth, it was really easy hooking it to configurator, and you just followed the wizard and everything was all set. The only thing left to do now is just go see how it flies using the Foxeer lollipop. And that's the way I mounted the antennas for the TBS Crossfire. So let's see what happens. Oh, forgot to go mount some of this God battery pad. Let's see how it works out. But yeah, I waited since March 8th to get all that stuff in. It's been on back order for a minute. As soon as I got it in, I just finished right now, so it took me about what, an hour. I used to have this in there because I couldn't wait any longer. So I went to go buy me another flight controller and some ESCs, and this the Kakute F4 OSD with the Teco 32 4-in-1 ESCs, but I couldn't run it in 32 like I wanted to with the Skitzo. So I think I was supposed to run this thing in like multi-shot for that to work out, but I'll save this for another frame. Alright, let's see what happens.